I like crypto so much. And when I started reading about this Tether, I said, wow, I got to go to a man who knows more than I do to find out whether the risk is real and how it could really hurt people's, let's say, holdings in crypto, but more importantly, the world of crypto and whether it's stable enough because of Tether.
Right. Well, Tether has become very important in the plumbing of the crypto markets, and it's grown to a $60 billion market cap. And look, some people think all of crypto is like gambling, right? And I wouldn't say that, but in that analogy, Tether's kind of like the chips you get, when you go to the cashier, and it makes it a lot easier to move from game to game. And, you don't keep cashing in and out of dollars. You just move your value around through Tether. But the problem is what Tether is doing with the money that you use to purchase the coins. And we now have a little bit of disclosure about that. And while in one way you could think of it like a money market fund, one token equals $1, it's supposed to be invested in very stable things. In fact, they're investing in stuff that it's not clear whether they could really liquidate it quickly and liquidate it at full value. So, as long as a lot of people aren't demanding their money back, there's not an issue. But if suddenly a lot of people did, I'm concerned there would be an issue.
Now, when I get the statements from the very nice people at Tether, they tell me, look, we've got much more transparency. You realize we've changed a lot. But then I read that New York, the AG settlement. And they basically got kicked out of Wall Street, of New York. And to me, Tim, that's highly unusual. And you went to law school with me. If New York decides you can't do business here, shouldn't we be more worried than most people are about this thing?
I think we should be. And, some people might say, oh, well, the AG didn't impose that big a fine. And that's true. But the important thing is the AG required some disclosure. And now when you look at that disclosure, that's when you get concerned. 13% of their assets, this is 13% of 60 billion, is invested in secured loans. We have no idea what kind of loans those are or who they're to. Now, they claim 50% is in commercial paper. That's a lot of commercial paper. But, I've talked to a couple of people who are involved in trading commercial paper. They're not sure they see Tether in the market. So I don't know what commercial paper Tether is buying. But, it's all a concern. So I think we need more disclosure here.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.